Okay, you guys, so today I wandered into the Dollar Tree in search of things that we could create holiday earrings out of. So, of course, I got hemmed up by the eyeballs because they are so super cute. I think they make perfect earrings for Halloween because, hey, we still have time. And oh my God, aren't they so cute? They had nothing to do with jewelry making, but they were just adorable and calling my name. So I love them. Now look, these scarabs would be perfect for rings, earrings, pins, you name it, super cute. I didn't purchase those, but I thought they were really adorable. I had seen them the last time I went looking for bugs to make earrings out of. I thought all this stuff over here was super cute, but I really was thinking about the Christmas items. So I'm thinking about how can we add LED lights to earrings. I know it's kind of different, but what a cute idea. Look, it said try me. Look how cute those all light up. Those would be really sweet also in your kids' rooms or our children's rooms, like for Christmas decor, just in different parts of the house, like in your bathrooms. Just stuff I thought was super cute. Look at these really pretty ornaments. Like, Dollar Tree has gotten like gangster on the ornaments in a good way. I was like, oh my gosh, all this stuff is so cute. So as I'm going down this aisle, I did not like the Day of the Dead stuff. Moving on from the skeleton, just a little creepy. Look at these bats. I know they're huge, but they would make really cute earrings, just in my opinion. I thought these were really cute, fun projects that we could do with our family or do with your children for the holidays and just during Thanksgiving. What are these? I thought these were so cute. So these are actually plastic, but as we're cleaning out our home, I'm finding so many things I need storage ideas for. So I thought those were great. Y'all, the Christmas items that Dollar Tree is showing are fabulous. I've gotten so much stuff. I think I spent like $20, which is not a lot at Dollar Tree, but I'm coming back to get some more. They literally had like the most gorgeous decorations. Wait until you see the ones at the second Dollar Tree I went to that were so super cute. Now, some of this stuff they had out last year and the year before last, so maybe you're not so blown away by it, but I think the African-American Santa, I mean, he is so super cute. Like, he's handsome, right? I feel like the faces are done up really well. Look at these giant plaid ornaments. I've got to go back and get some of those. I didn't even take my wallet in the store because I said Dollar Tree was not going to get me on the okie doke today and get me set up to spend all my money. I said, let me plan it out. Look at the campers. Look at those super cute camper ornaments. I almost screamed when I saw those. The bells are adorable. I love the church and the steeple. I mean, just so pretty. There's some snowmen back there. I don't know if I showed them here or at the last one, but look at the poinsettias. They are just beautiful. I love the stars. I have those already from like a few years back. I have all that from a few years back. But the bells, I was thinking, well, what could we make out of these though? But I don't know, they might end up being a little heavy, so I wasn't necessarily sure about those. But look at this gorgeous tinsel. Now these could make some really pretty earrings. Those could make cute earrings. All of that snow could make some super cute snow globe earrings. I mean, the sky is the limit. I was like, what can I do with all this stuff? Okay, so of course those are too big for earrings. But I thought the ribbon was really pretty. That would make some nice earrings. You could Mod Podge or hot glue some fabric down to some earrings, and that would be super cute. This I was just looking at for projects, like as people come to visit you during the holidays, like you could have a paint and keep type thing or a paint party at your home. Of course, social distancing involved. But I thought that would be a really great project for people to do during the holidays with their family. And this stuff is going to go fast. Like, it already looked semi-picked over at this one particular Dollar Tree. I thought that wreath was really pretty. I just don't know where that would go. And I'm not great at painting in terms of on surfaces like that. Oh my gosh, look at these flat ornaments that you could put stuff in. I guess those are actually snow globes. But that was a square kind of scround, like a square and round snow globe. Right now, these are glass. So these glass vials I thought were so super cute. I have no idea what we would do with these mini glass containers, but I was just like in awe of how cute they were. So pom-poms, you know, we gotta love it. You know, who doesn't need a good pom-pom? There's so many things we could make with them. You could do little animal tails. You could make jewelry out of it. Now look at this. I thought this was a pretty cool item. This was an acrylic pouring medium. So for those of you that do paint pour, I mean, Dollar Tree is like up the ante and up their game. They are giving Michaels and Hobby Lobby a run for their money. This is a paint scraper. I thought that was a super cool tool. No clue what I would do with it, so I didn't buy it. Again, I was just on a seek and search mission to see what they had. I was really curious about this. Now this is fabric paint. I have a couple of denim jackets I want to do some projects on, And I'm wondering if this stuff is any good or not. I'm not sure if you saw my last video where I previewed, actually I used the paint from the Dollar Tree and made items out of it. Look at this glitter paint. So I'm almost willing to take my chances again to see if it'll do anything or not. That's actually tempura paint. I had used a lot of the paint you just saw down there on the bottom. So look, they have these cute canvases where you can make mini pictures. Your children can make their own art. They could make their own Christmas decorations. I just think this stuff is so cute. Now look at these. These are solid wood ornaments. They are heavy. I mean, they are thick. So of course this isn't a jewelry making item. This is a Christmas making item if you wanted to make ornaments at home. But that wood was really solid and really heavy. I liked it. Now that was super cute. So I love the octagonal type jars. They were actually plastic. I don't have a Cricut, but for people that have a Cricut and use vinyl to make different crafts, I saw someone talking about potentially using this vinyl to make like to cover things with, even though she didn't have a Cricut either. So just look at all the different colors. Now I don't know how much is actually in here, how much of that roll is there, like if you only get one sheet, but look at the rose gold and the bright gold. Really, really pretty. They had some fantastic colors and there was a lot of it. I was hoping they would have, now look at those. Look, wouldn't those make cute earrings, the chalkboard? On clothespins. Now I love this buffalo print. I found out that's what it's called. Who knew? I don't know. I found out at 53 years old. Love the buffalo print pattern. I'm interested in doing some earrings and something out of that. I saw where another YouTuber shared these on her page, the LED desk lamp. These things are super solid, adorable, come in black and white. I mean, that is an excellent gift item for $1. Come on now. Okay, pom-poms, pom-pom-alicious. Those would have been cute hanging from some earrings. Here's some little stickers that are like shaped like gemstones and jewels. I thought they were all green, but it looks like the color might have been mixed in there. These would make the perfect snowflake earrings, right? Super cute. You could zhuzh them up and make it all nice and bright for Christmas. Okay, the little mini Christmas trees, I couldn't figure out how you'd attach a hook. I'd have to look at that. That's why I was turning it sideways to figure it out. But anyway, they're adorable, super cute, love them. These are all the clear ornaments. I'm just walking to see what else they have. That's just some faux snow. Now look at this super cute garland. So I love this idea of the gold, the silver, and the red garland. It's like tinsel string, but it's bendy. So I'm thinking about going back to get some of that. My tree this year, that's those are little tree skirts. Oh my gosh, look at these. I got sidetracked. Okay, so now I don't know what you would do with these, but they hang on stuff and they had different sayings, and I just thought they were so pretty. There was somebody on the aisle with me, so I was kind of rushing down the aisle. I didn't want to be getting in trouble. So right when I was leaving the second Dollar Tree, look what I came across. So these are actually pies, I believe. Wouldn't they make cute earrings? These are some fall leaves that you could do in different colors and add glitter paints and sequins and all that jazz. You just have to take the clothespin off the back and drill a hole. But super cute. The little owl was adorable. The pumpkin stickers were super cute. So I know I'm reverting back to fall, but I just happened to see these when I was leaving and had to mention them. Stay tuned for all the super cute ideas we have coming up. God bless you guys and love you.